हेलो या हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। सो आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाले हैं Logitech MK235, a wireless combo of keyboard and mouse. Let's see the specification and what's in the box. Let's get started. So this is how the box looks like. So it's MK235, and if in case see the specification. So it's all keys you need. Basically it's a full-size keyboard, long lasting battery life. So it states that keyboard's life is 36 months and the mouse is 12 months. 1 साल की life है mouse की, and then 3 साल की keyboard की for the batteries, which is basically जो बहुत ज़्यादा है. And it's spill proof as well, so in case अगर कुछ हल्का फुल्का spill out हो जाता है इसके ऊपर, then it would be fine. And it has an MRP of 2095 rupees, but it's available on Amazon for 1445. So let's see what's in the box. So once we go ahead and open the box, we have a mouse at the first, then it has the connector, it has a battery here, it has the keyboard, and it has 2 more batteries, so 3 batteries here. इसको देखें तो हमें बैटरी लगानी है. We will go ahead and place the battery. So this is the mouse, and it has an on-off button here, and it's invisible optic mouse is here. And then हम आ जाते हैं कीबोर्ड में. कीबोर्ड इज़ ऑल्सो द फुल साइज कीबोर्ड, और इट्स क्वाइट गुड है. एंड अगर हम देखें तो इसमें बैटरीज, इन केस यू टॉक अबाउट, we have to put it here. Use it, and it has this angle as well, so in case you use it this way, this is quite comfortable to use. And this is full size, easy to use, and I'll show you how to basically use it with the laptop as well. So that's how you will go ahead and plug in the connector, and you do not need any drivers or anything. It will automatically configure, and basically it will not work on the glass. I will use this, and see, it works fine. It works absolutely. fine. So that's it for all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. In case you find it useful, please like and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.